Let's learn the animal of the week. There's animals from A to Z. Now let's take a peek. Who is it? Blue whale. Blue whale starts with the letter B. The blue whale is our animal of the week. A blue whale is a marine mammal. They can be found in all of the oceans except the Arctic Ocean. That means that you can find them in the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Did you know that blue whales are the loudest and the biggest animals in the world? They can grow up to 100 feet. That's the size of 3 buses long. Wow. Blue whales don't eat what we eat. They eat krill and a lot of it. They can eat up to 4 tons of krill a day. So hungry. Blue whales migrate to warmer waters near the equator in the wintertime. They do this with their pod or group of whales, and they migrate in order to have babies, also known as calves. Blue whale. I'm a big blue whale, long and strong. In the ocean is where I belong. I'm the biggest animal in the world. I swim with my baby cat who floats and twirls.